Is it time to buy or sell Reddit stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Reddit. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 1st of October 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 30th of September, 2025, our system has identified Reddit as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.56. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a loss of 11.91%. This equates to an average loss of 5.95% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 78.32% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 78.32% and 154.22%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 46.51%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -7.71% and 98.4% over the next year. In current terms, this would imply a future price somewhere between $186.98 and $401.23. Our latest daily update for Reddit includes the headline, Reddit Inc. stock price took a fall of nearly 12% on Wednesday. The Reddit Inc. stock price decreased by nearly 12% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 1st of October, 2025, falling from $229.99 to $202.60. During this trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 7.89%, with a low of $202.36 and a high of $218.32. The price has declined in 7 out of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall drop of nearly 24% during this period. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day by 11 million shares. Although this was accompanied by falling prices, this could signal an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 16 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $3.18 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $282.95, while the lowest was $64.90. Currently, the stock price is 28.40%, or $80.35, below the 52-week high of $282.95, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. Reddit shares fell by approximately 12% on Wednesday, settling at around $202.60. This decline followed third-party AI tracking that revealed the platform's content citations in a major chatbot plummeted from double-digit percentages in September to nearly 2% by the end of the month. This drop occurred despite modest gains in the overall market, indicating a stock-specific sell-off that also caused RDDT to fall below a crucial technical threshold, intensifying volatility following a strong rally earlier this quarter that had elevated its market value above $40 billion. In the short term, the market seems to be adjusting growth expectations downward. A decrease in AI citations can suggest a reduction in referral traffic and advertising impressions, leading to revenue and multiple compression, as well as triggering stops and short-term outflows. Adding to this pressure is the announcement of a shareholder litigation probe, which introduces governance and legal risks, creating a near-term overhang on sentiment. Looking at the long term, the effects will depend on whether the decline in chatbot citations is a structural change or merely temporary. If the lower distribution to AI tools persists, Reddit will need to demonstrate alternative monetization strategies and establish partnerships to regain its reach. However, if the current data is fleeting or if Reddit secures integration agreements, the fundamentals could bounce back, allowing the stock to resume its higher volatility gains. It is crucial to monitor traffic and advertising revenue trends, as well as any legal developments, as these factors will ultimately determine if this situation presents a buying opportunity or marks the beginning of a more extended correction. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 1st of October, 2025, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned RDDT a sector perform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 23rd of September, 2025, it was reported that Cannonball Research gave RDDT a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 18th of September, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned RDDT an overweight grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 18th of September, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned RDDT an outperform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 16th of September, 2025, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned RDDT an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Reddit stock a general sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Reddit. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals. The stock of Reddit Incorporated holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, resulting in a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two averages, as the long-term average is above the short-term average. On upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $231.51 and $237.70. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, the 18th of September, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 25.16%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 10 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy opportunity from 16 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal from 9 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presents a buy signal from 2 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average shows a sell signal from 8 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 75 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 66 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Reddit. Reddit Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $201.76. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. The stock typically shows average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $15.96 between its high and low, which represents a change of 7.89%. In the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 5.52%, period. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Reddit, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with substantial market potential to have such elevated ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 4th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 50 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Reddit. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Reddit is at $212.81. If you currently do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a suitable level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Reddit encounters its first support level at $201.76. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Reddit from multiple analyst sources is sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Wong Jennifer L., who bought and sold 23,747 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we found that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 45.114. In total, baggage market trend 2.2 times 19%. Going forward, FGX profits are forward spiking higher and pressure on the markets, making up over 17%, 5.513%. Oil prices are below basic estimates in all 50 stocks. Insiders purchased 108,000 shares and sold 289,881 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and currently, no stop loss has been established. Is Reddit stock a good buy? Reddit Incorporated stock shows multiple negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Reddit Incorporated may underperform in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 2nd of October, we expect Reddit to open higher by $5.16, with an initial trading price of $207.76. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.